In this example, we are going to see how to catch multiple occurrences. So in this specific table, Sophia is the name which is repeating multiple times. 1, 2, 3. So what I want is that I want you to pull a specific occurrence of this specific table. As discussed, that first column should be the lookup column. I have added a column over here, and now I'm going to type concate because I'm going to concatenate both occurrence and the name itself. What I have to do is equals to count if brackets open. So what is my criteria range? I wanted to select the entire column. I have selected this specific column as my criteria range. And what is my criteria? This is my criteria. So for this very reason, what we need to do is if I click over here, it's showing us 3. But in this specific example, we want that it will automatically count that which occurrence is this. So we have to change a bit of syntax. So for that purpose, what I have to do is I have typed D3 to, for example, D4, where D3 is a constant. So what will happen is this is an absolute address and this is a relative address. So as soon as I copy this thing over, so it will go from D3 to D4, D3 to D5, D3 to D6, so on and so forth. So till now, Sophia is occurring only one time. When I copy this over, you can see that this is the second occurrence of Sophia. This is the third occurrence of the Sophia. What I wanted to do is, after the occurrence, I wanted to add the name itself. So I have selected Sophia itself. So you can see that 1 Sophia, 2 Sophia, 3 Sophia is appearing over here. So what I wanted to do is first name and occurrence. So once I have selected first name and occurrence, and I want the result, sales result, to appear over here, I type Sophia and third occurrence. What I have to do is equals to VLOOKUP this and this. I have concatenated both the things. I want to look up this specific thing in this table. F4, comma, which column I want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th column I wanted to return, comma 0. So you can see the third occurrence of Sophia contains, this is the first Sophia, the second Sophia, third Sophia, and it contains 650. If I press 2, so the second occurrence of Sophia, this is the first Sophia, second occurrence of Sophia, 581. So this is how you can actually find a specific occurrence in a VLOOKUP table. Thank you so much.